Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your love and general reading. We'll see what's happening in your love life. So this is for the next few days. This is a timeless reading. So if you're drawn to this video, even after a year, you may have a message here. So it's a timeless reading, but more specifically for the next few days. Okay. Aquarius, this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. If you are a cross watcher, you can switch the energies as it suits you. Alright. So Aquarius, let's see what do we have in store for you. Four of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. Let me shuffle and see if I get that again. Okay, I think I have to take this. The Hermit. Oh my god, Hermit. Nine of Pentacles. What do we have in store for my Aquarius? Please give me a message. Let's see what do we have in store for my Aquarius. Okay, I think I've got one more. Aquarius, you guys are in this hermit mode. Hermit mode where you just don't know where you are heading to. What is your destination? What is your end goal? You just don't know what's in store for you. You don't know what is right, you don't know what is wrong. You're just moving along. You're just going forward without any specific direction. All of a sudden you have become directionless. Maybe you have been through a lot in your recent past, been through a lot. Could be in your love life, could be in your career. Some of you have had a very difficult career in the past 1 year or two. Some of you, this could be in your love life. So you guys have had a lot of pain recently, okay, in your recent past, and now you have come to a point where you just don't know what is right, what is wrong, what should you do in life, who should you trust, who you should not. It's like I feel that some of you have become more matured with whatever lessons you have learned in your recent past. You have grown, okay, you have become more matured than what you were in your recent past. Yes, you have had a very difficult career in your recent past, and I think your focus right now is career. Love is there, okay, but you have come to a point that money is first. Love will come, love will go, but your career should be the first priority. You have realized that, and the focus is career right now, okay. Some of you're trying, working hard to work on a relationship. It is like your relationship has been through a lot of lately, ups and downs, and you're trying to come towards calmer water. Okay, that could also be, I don't know. See, a lot of dark energy, blue, black. You guys have been through a lot, Aquarius, recently, a lot. The only thing that is keeping you strong is your career. Like, your focus on career is the only thing that is diverting your mind. Otherwise you have been through a lot, like dark nights where you had nobody next to you, dark nights where you literally cried for something. This could be a person, I don't know. You've been through a lot. I just cannot express it in words, but you guys have really been through a lot. So I think you definitely have had a difficult year or a difficult time in your recent past, okay. Okay, what is it? Eight of Cups. Okay, I think this card, they both came together. The Sun and the Death. Now I know why you've been in dark energy all this while. Okay, it's like you have lost faith on a person, faith on your own self, your faith on something has been shattered. This could be on yourself, this could be on somebody you really love the most, but and also I feel that you are having trust issues at times. So could be that you don't trust your person. All right, that could also be the thing. Some of you, as far as your person is concerned, see, look at this. We have the 8 of Cups and Death. We have the Sun here in middle. So I think, I don't know, I feel that your person may have left you, or you fear this person moving away from you, Aquarius. So maybe you're dealing with somebody. For some of you, I feel that you may have been ghosted by somebody. Okay, somebody just left you out in the cold, and this is your person's energy. So either they're thinking of moving away from you, or they have already left you, because I do see a death. Some of you are destined to go through a breakup. It is like your karmic account with somebody may have end. Okay, that could also be the thing. You could be dealing with a Virgo, you could be dealing with a Leo, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. Sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent, so I'm just saying. So I have a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, sun signs, but these 3 are prominent. So most of you could be dealing with a Virgo, a Leo, or a Scorpio. But in spite of all this, I feel that your person is somebody, guys. This person is, either they have end this relationship with you, or this is on this verge, okay, where things are, you feel that everything is over. Okay, some of you literally have had a breakup. I don't know why many of you're going through this. I had this for Libra also when I was doing their reading. So many of them, they're also going through the same thing. I had the breakup, either breakup or separation, and the same has come for you. So definitely you guys are going through a lot of problems in your love life, Aquarius. Okay, so for most of you, maybe this is your person who may either have walked away from you, things are just over between you both, or you are in this process where things are very difficult, okay, and you're literally struggling to make your relationship work. Look at this confusion. Your person is confused. You're dealing with somebody who is confused. This person feels like moving away from you. This is their thought process. We'll see why. They love you, there is no doubt. This person you're dealing with, they love you, but I don't know, there's something that is, I think you guys have had a difficult patch between each other, because of which things have come to an end, or you feel that everything is over. Okay, your person is also confused. This person loves you, there's no doubt about this. This person sees you as their ultimate happiness. So you have been like a child to this person. This person loves you as a child. You have been their happiness. This person is somebody who may have, you may have given this person a lot of love. This person may have given you a lot of love. But in spite of all of this, I think this relationship is going through a lot of ups and downs of lately, and that is why you guys are in this position. So look at this. King of Cups, Hierophant, and 10 of Wands. See, this person has immense love for you. Some of you could be married with this person, okay? You guys are married to each other. Your partner is willing to work on this relationship in spite of having these thoughts, okay? Maybe your person is somebody who sometimes, at times, they feel like moving out of this relationship, or this person feels that things with you is not possible, or they want to work on this, okay? Love is there, this person has love for you, but this person is confused. For some of you, I feel that your person has options, okay? This person has options. I do see they have options. This person could be juggling you with somebody else. That could also be the thing. Especially if you're dating each other, your partner has an option. So they are confused. However, this person loves you. They are manifesting you. But at times they feel that relationship with you is difficult, or things are almost over between both of you. For some of you, you've literally broken up with your partner, and now you're focusing on your career. New life, new you. okay? It's like, and I do see there's somebody who is there in your life, Aquarius. This is a new person who may have arrived in your life, and I think you're talking to each other. This could be a friend of yours, or you may have met this person through work. This could be a colleague of yours, I don't know, different for different of you, but I do see a new person and you're talking to this person. So this person is somebody who may be helping you in your difficult times, or could be helping you in your career. So yeah, I do see that you guys are talking to somebody, and yeah, so we'll see your feelings towards this person. We'll see your feelings towards this person. How are you feeling towards your partner? Your feelings towards your partner. See, you are struggling to make this work. You're struggling to make this relationship work. Some of you have had some fights, arguments, and you may have blocked this person. For the others of you, I think you are somebody who would do anything to make this relationship work. So maybe somebody around you is against this relationship, could be your parents, could be their parents, and you are willing to accept that challenge and you want to fight for this person. You really want to fight for this person, but you're not sure whether this person would want to stay with you or not. Oh my god, see, you feel, some of you feel that you have been betrayed. Your person has betrayed you, okay? This is something that I've got here. So you feel that this person has betrayed you. You could have been, maybe this person is your spouse, maybe you're married to this person, or this is a long-term relationship. For some of you, this is a long-term relationship. You feel that your person may have betrayed you, and they just left you. See, look at this, 8 of Cups, 10 of Swords, Death. So I certainly see that some of you are literally in separation, okay? You're just not talking to each other. And for the others of you, even if you are in this relationship, you guys are going through a difficult phase. So what do you want, Aquarius? Let's see, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want with this person? King of Wands. Okay, look at this. I have these two cards, High Priestess and King of Wands. You know what, guys? You feel that this person you are dealing with, they are holding on to some secrets. This person is not opening up. So I think you doubt on this person. We have the 9 of Wands here. So you don't trust this person anymore. Okay, I do see that you have trust issues with this person. You don't trust them completely. Okay, you love them, they love you, but maybe this person has betrayed you in the past, and that is the reason why you have come to a point where you don't trust them anymore. You feel that either they have betrayed you, cheated on you in the past, or this person may have left you or will leave you in the future. So you don't trust this person completely. Alright, some of you are in this King of Wands energy. You have, with time, you have matured from being a boy to a man, or being a girl to a woman. So as I said, you have become very matured in your recent past with the experience that you have had recently with this person, or this could be in your career. You have become more matured. So now you are thinking not from your heart but from your mind, okay? So you're being very calculative, which is good. So you're being very careful. You don't want anybody to take undue advantage of you, or you don't want to be with the wrong person. So you're being very careful, very, very careful. So maybe some of you are seeking some truth, some clarity with this person, because you feel that this person is hiding things. So you're holding on to some things. Some of you, I think you are keeping some secrets. Now this could be you also who is keeping some secrets from your person. So yeah, I don't know, there's something that has made you matured and more intelligent, and now you're being very careful while being with this person. So you don't want to give everything to this person. You are guarded. Okay, that is what I say, that's the right word. You are very guarded. So you don't want anybody to come and hurt you, break your heart. So you are taking it slow. This is a strong commitment. We have 10 of Cups. You want marriage. If you're still dating each other, yes, you want marriage. This person wants marriage with you. But I really don't know. I do see that this person is not sure, Aquarius. I don't know why. Okay, for some of you this person may have already left you. For the others of you, this person is conflicted, so they have two thoughts. At times they feel like choosing you, but then at times they feel like choosing somebody else, because this person has options. This person has options, but this person has immense love for you. They know that you have invested a lot, or they know that they cannot find another you. So this is why I think this person is putting all that they have. This person is willing to put efforts on you, but I don't know, this is like quite a lose or win situation, Aquarius. Okay, yeah, see, eventually you both love each other, but things are difficult. The situations have been difficult. I don't know what you have gone through or been through, but your relationship is not how it was in the past. So that is something I see. So a lot of efforts have to be put here from your person's end, from your end, and I think this relationship, I would say that this relationship is in God's hand, like a win or lose situation. So let's see what's the advice for you. We'll see if you have any advice from Aquarius. Don't give up, and I think you guys are literally fighting for your connection, and that is good, but more wisely. You're not being foolish the way you were. Page of Wands. Page of Wands is all about communication, talking it out, opening up. Okay, so some of you, you're being asked to open up, talk. Some of you, you don't have the courage. Maybe you have to take an initiative towards this person, but you don't have the courage to do so. So you're being asked to talk, asked to open up, share your feelings, share how you feel towards this person. Beginning, see, some of you, I think you're going to have a new beginning with the same person. Okay, this is like a relationship that has ended will come back to normal with the Ace of Wands. So definitely I see a new beginning. Okay, you feel that it's over, your person feels it's over, but I see a new beginning. All right, so a dead relationship will come back to normal, that kind of energy. As I said, win or lose. So but in this reading I feel that you will win. Okay, because we have the Ace of Wands. So a revival of a relationship, but you both will have to sit, talk, spend a lot of time with each other. That is something that I see here. So a lot of misunderstanding. Sit, talk, work on it, put efforts, and everything will be fine. 10 of wow, Aquarius, look at this. I speak about you and your card appears. Oh, can you imagine this? This is so nice. I become happy when I do your reading and your card appears. So look at this. This is a reconfirmation that some of you are going to reconcile, reunite, and yeah, maybe your person has left you. You think it's over, and this person will come back. Okay, this person will come back. 10 of Pentacles and the Star. This is like a relationship that is dead will revive. This is like a dead relationship coming back to normal. So you guys are going to have a good life, good happy family. Maybe that your marriage was on the verge of a divorce. I think you guys will come back. Okay? You guys will reunite. Things will become normal. 10 of Pentacles and the Star. Some of you, I think this is like a dead relationship coming back to normal. You guys will reunite. Some of you are going to meet, especially if you're single, you're going to meet somebody completely new, and this person is there. Especially if you're single, you have met somebody new and you will end up being married to this person. So this is like a new love, new you, new relationship, something new. So this is for all my singles out there. You are going to land up being committed very soon, or you are going to fall in love with somebody, and this is like a fated connection that is planned for you, somebody, and I think this person is there in your life. Okay, this person has already come. So this is like a new beginning for you, Aquarius. This is especially for all of them who have had a bitter breakup or a divorce in your recent past. I don't know, I had the same reading for Libra. So I think Aquarius and Libra, you both are going through a difficult patch, alright, in your relationship. And I don't know, I've been reading this over and over again since a year. So, Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, you know, you are focusing on your money. Money is your priority, career. So your focus is money. This is like focus on your money and let love find you, okay? Love is not going anywhere. Whoever is fated to be with you will come and be with you. So that's the advice. Focus on your money. Focus on your money. Okay, Aquarius? Yeah, you're destined to be with somebody and that will happen at the right time. And yeah. So that was that, Aquarius. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so you guys take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.